Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're riding through southern Solano County, starting in Vallejo and making our way into historic Benicia. This route is one of my favorites because it packs a little bit of everything. California history, naval heritage, some scenic roads along the strait, and of course, a good food stop along the way. Before we even get to the road, here's a cool bit of California history. Vallejo and Benicia are forever tied together by General Mariano Guadalupe Vallejo. He was a major figure in early California, military leader, landowner, and politician. When Benicia was founded in 1847, it was actually on land donated by Vallejo himself. The founders, Dr. Robert Stemple, Thomas Larkin, and Vallejo, named the city after his wife, Francisca Benicia Carrillo de Vallejo, who came from the powerful Carrillo family. So in a way, Benicia is a love letter to his wife, and that connection between Vallejo and Benicia is still strong today. Now we're on Mare Island. This place is packed with history. It was the first U.S. Navy base on the West Coast, established in 1854. For decades, they built submarines, battleships, and repaired vessels here. Its peak during World War II, the island employed over 40,000 people. Can you imagine the energy this place must have had back then? These days, Mare Island has reinvented itself. You'll see large art installations scattered along the waterfront. And one of the coolest things here, the sail of the USS Mariano Vallejo, a nuclear submarine on display. It's a striking reminder of the island's Navy days. Riding through Mare Island, you'll notice a contrast. On one hand, you've got newer neighborhoods going up, designed for modern living, and on the other are the historic military homes, preserved from when officers and their families lived here. That mix of the past and present gives Mare Island a really unique feel. Right next door, we've got the California State University Maritime Academy. It's one of only a few maritime academies in the entire country. Students here go into careers like maritime transportation, global logistics, marine engineering, fields that literally keep the world moving. You'll often see cadets out training on the water, running drills, and learning the ropes. Alright, now we're going to jump onto Highway 780 towards Benicia. This road isn't long, but it's a nice little ride. Gentle curves, views of the Carquinez Strait, and the bridge stretching out in the distance. On the right day, you'll catch the hills lit up in gold. It's a perfect breather between these two historic cities. And here we are in Benicia, another city that, like Vallejo, once served as California's state capital, even if just briefly. We're stopping for lunch at Got Plate Lunch, right on the water. If you like Hawaiian comfort food, loco moco, kalua pork, teriyaki chicken, this is the spot. A perfect way to fuel up mid-ride. After lunch, it's worth a slow roll down First Street. Benicia's downtown has a relaxed small-town vibe. Coffee shops, breweries, antique stores, and at the very end, you get this wide-open view of the strait. It's the kind of place where you can just park the bike, grab a drink, and watch the world go by. We're finishing up the ride at the Benicia Arsenal. This was a U.S. Army weapons depot that operated for over a century. Today, the old brick warehouses are homes to artists and studios, but the military history hangs heavy in the architecture. It's a reminder of just how much history this area has packed into it. That's the loop, starting in Vallejo with its naval and maritime roots, rolling through Mare Island and heading here to Benicia with history, charm, and good food along the way. Thanks for tagging along. If you enjoyed the ride, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments where you'd like me to ride next. Until then, ride safe, and I'll see you on the next adventure.